Good morning children. Let's solve the next problem. Fourth one. First 15% of 250. 15% of 250 means children first write as 15 by 100 into 250. 0 0 if you strike out 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 15 into 5 will remain in the numerator, 2 in the denominator. 15 5s are 75 divided by 2. 75 by 2 is equal to 37.5. Okay, here is the rough work. Observe that. Next question. 1% of 1 hour. 1% of 1 hour means children 1 hour can be written as 60 minutes or 3600 seconds. If we consider it as 60 minutes, that is 1% of 60 minutes is equal to 1% means 1 by 100 into 60. 0 0 strike out. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 3 into 1 is 3 children, denominator is 5. 3 by 5 minutes you can write. Or 1% of 3600 seconds if you consider 1% means 1 by 100 into 3600. 0 0 0 0 strike out. Here 1 into 36 by 1 which is nothing but 36. Okay, that is 36 seconds. Next question. 20% of rupees 2500. 20% means 20 by 100 into 2500. 2 zeros strike out children. 20 into 25 gives 500. Means 20% of rupees 2500 is equal to 500. Okay. Next one. 75% of 1 kg. I converted this 1 kg as 1000 gram children. 75% means 75 by 100 into 1000. 2 zeros if you strike out, 75 into 10 will remain, which is equal to 750 gram. Otherwise, we can write 75% of 1 kg. 1 as it is if you can. 75 by 100 into 1. 2 places we have to shift towards left. 0.75 kg it will become. Okay. Next question. Find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. They gave 5% children. We have to find the whole quantity here. Okay. Let the whole quantity be x. Because we don't know, let us consider any variable. Then 5% of x is equal to 600. It has to become. 5% means 5 by 100 into x is equal to 600. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0 if I strike out. 1 by 20 into x. 1 into x is x divided by 20 is equal to 600. If you transpose 20 to the right hand side, x is equal to 600 into 20. 600 into 20 gives 12,000. Hence the whole quantity is 12,000. Next question children. 12% of it is rupees 1080. Let the whole quantity be x. Then 12% of x is equal to 1080. It will become 12% is 12 by 100 into x is equal to 1080. 12 into x is 12x by 100 is equal to 1080. Transpose children this 100 to the right hand side. This x will be equal to 1080 into 100. Denominator, when you transpose it will go to the numerator. It is in the numerator, it will come to the denominator. Okay, once again, x is equal to 1080 into 100 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 nines are 108. 0 remain, you put 0 children. 90 into 100 will remain. Then x is equal to 9000. Therefore, the whole quantity is equal to rupees 9000 here. Next, 40% of it is 500 km. 40% is 500 km they said. Let the whole quantity be x. Then 40% of x is equal to 500. Means 40 by 100 into x is equal to 500. 40 by 100 into x is equal to 500. 40 into x is 40x by 100 is equal to 500 children. X will be equal to, this x will be equal to 500 into 100 divided by 40. 0 0 strike out. Here 4 ones are 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Means 50 into 25 will remain. X is equal to 1250. Therefore, the whole quantity is equal to 1250 kilometer. Okay. Next one. 70% of it is 14 minutes they gave. That is 70% of x is equal to 14 minutes. 70 by 100 into x is equal to 14. X will be equal to 14 into 100 divided by 70. Is it? Then 0 0 strike out children. Here 7 ones are 7 twos are. 2 into 10 remain. 2 times are 20. 20 minutes. That is, therefore the whole quantity is 20 minutes. Next one, 8% of it is 40 liters again. That is 8% of x is equal to 40 liter. We will consider 8% means children 8 by 100 into x is equal to 40. Then x will be equal to 40 into 100 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40. If you strike out, 5 into 100 remain. X is equal to 5 into 100 is 500. Therefore, the whole quantity is 500 liters. Next question, children. Convert given percents to decimal fractions and also to fractions in simplest form. We have to write as decimals also, and also first we have to write fraction and then we have to bring it into simplest form also. Okay. First one is 25%. 25% means children 25 by 100. We will write two places we have to shift it towards left because denominator two zeros we have, which is equal to 0.25. That is 0.25 is nothing but 0.25. Okay, you converted into decimal. Now let us convert to simplest form. Again, 25% means 25 by 100 we will write, children. 25 ones are 25 fours are 1 by 4. It is in the simplest form. Okay. This can be written as 25% is equal to 0.25, which is nothing but 25 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 4 also. Okay. 150%. 150% is equal to 150 divided by 100. Two places if you shift it towards left, 1.50 it will become the same thing. 150% is equal to 150 divided by 100. 0, 0 strike out. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. If you strike out, 3 by 2 will remain. It is in the simplest form. Next one, 20%. 20 by 100, two places if you shift it towards left, 0.20 it will become. 20% is equal to 20 by 100. 20 ones are 25s are children. 1 by 5 will remain. It is in the simplest form. 5% is equal to 5 by 100. Here 005. How many zeros? 0, 5 I have considered, children. Divided by 100. Two places if you shift 0.05 will become. It is rough work. Okay. If you have confusions, rough work can be done. When I shifted two places towards left, here by extra only 1 0 required. Okay, that is 0.05 it will become. 5% is equal to 5 by 100. Again write down 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 if you strike out, 1 by 20. It is in the simplest form. Next question, children. In a city, 30% are females, 40% are males and remaining are children. What percent are children? They are asking. Okay. In a city, total percent of females is equal to 30% they said. Total percent of males is equal to 40% they give. Total percent of children will be, in 100 if you subtract 30 plus 40 we will get children. That is 100 minus of 30 plus 40. 100 minus 30 plus 40 is 70, is it? It is also in percentage. Okay. 100 minus 70 gives 30%. Therefore 30% are children.